How to reset your matches on Tinder. Welcome to How Logical. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to reset your matches on Tinder. If you have been wondering about this process, it's crucial to understand that the reset match option effectively entails the deletion of your existing Tinder account. As a result, you will be required to create a new account to initiate a fresh start. So let's get started. Open the Tinder application on your device. On the app's homepage, locate and click on the human icon situated at the bottom right corner. This will lead you to your profile page. Within your profile page, find the settings icon positioned at the top right corner. Click on it to access your account settings. Scroll down through the settings options until you reach the very end. There you will encounter the delete account option. Click on it to proceed. You will be presented with two choices. Here, go for delete my account option. Within this, you will have to select a reason why you are leaving Tinder. Select fresh start. Now you will notice an option related to resetting matches here. Select it and click on continue deletion. Here, for the last time, confirm your decision to delete your account by clicking on delete my account option. Your account will be successfully removed from this platform. Wait for a short while and your Tinder account will be deleted. If at a later time you decide to get back into the Tinder application, you can create a new account. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.